To draw the parrot, we'll begin with drawing two lines parallel to each other, connect them. We'll form the beak using a curve. And similarly, we'll add this, and with this done, we'll connect the beak. Next step, we'll draw a C shape, extend the C shape, and we'll draw inverted U, and then we'll join this point with a curved line, or you can after you join, we'll draw the shape, then we'll add two parallel lines, and from this point draw two more lines extending down. Now we'll start tracing all we are doing is using sketch pen or a marker and tracing the pencil marks. So now we'll erase off the overlying pencil lines, extra lines which we don't need anymore. Erase properly, because the next step we'll be doing is, after adding eye, we start coloring. Then draw a circle next to the beak. Then add two more tiny circles and color the remaining part. With this done, we'll start applying color. The beak will be red. So we'll use marker again to make sure the line doesn't go unnoticed. Next we'll be using light green color. Don't color the inside of the eye in a hurry. They should be white. As you can see, I just filled the color. We'll be using brown, and we'll finally add the color of the wood. And that is how you draw a parrot.